We can also display multiple plots on the same graphics page. So in order to achieve this, we want to use the par function. Inside the par function, we want to use mfrow graphics parameter. So this parameter, we want to pass a 2-element vector. We want to specify the number of rows and columns. Say for example, we pass in, say for example, we say par function and we say mfrow, right? And then here we say 1 row, 2 columns. So in this case, we have created a 2 side-by-side plot. Let's run this. Right, so now whatever that we create will be side by side. Okay, we are going to use cars dataset and say this first plot will be speed, this is distance, and we're gonna color it and say red. Let's run this. Okay, and then I'm gonna make another plot, so then we're gonna zoom out so that we can observe this par function. And now I'm going to use this other data set and I'm gonna take on mpg, and I'm going to use also this other data set empty cars, and I'm also going to use, for this one, let's say I'm going to use hp, and I'm gonna say in this case this is going to be hp versus mpg, and I'm gonna color this and say blue. Let's run this. So you observe now that we have a side by side plot. Let me zoom out so that we can observe. So you observe here on this plot window that we now have side by side plots. But now, say for example, you continue to say plots and you say pressure. If you run this, you observe that this plot and you add another plot. So you observe that every plot that you now add is side by side. So in order to reset the par options, what you need to do is you need to reset the mfrow parameter. And in order to reset the mfrow parameter, you simply just say par and you say mfrow and you pass in 1 by 1, which means 1 row and 1 column. Let's run this and now let's see our plots. If you plot this and say now you add another plot, okay, so now you observe that our plots are not side by side. So you should be careful that once your plot is complete, you reset the par options in order to make all your subsequent plots to not appear side by side. So this is how we can display multiple plots on a single page.